Baby. See? Oh.
The Knicks, you know, right now, look at the clock. You say we're down 14. The Knicks know that they can score a ton of points. Can New Jersey continue to score? That's the big question. Aaron Williams at the free throw line. This Billups picks up the foul. 14 foul on the Nets. Aaron Williams, 6th year in the league. All-NBA second team a year ago. Took a while to get recognized in terms of being an all-star. It was last year that he went to his first All-Star game win again this season. He was the 3rd pick in 2005. When I had those 3 straight point guards drafted, Chris Paul fourth, where he fell 5th. Nelson, of course, was a Knick before he was involved in the Melo trade. Chris Williams gets the second free throw as well. You can see that Chris is still not there. But anytime that he plays, he's an 80-plus foul shooter every single year. Stoudemire throws it down, Humphrey. There is no help down on the baseline. Lopez with first half points.
Ito po, dumidedi po si Denise. Kaway.
Ha? Chua, Bautista yan.
Oh, she's Bautista?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she's Kaway. Oh, no?
Maawa ka naman sa bata.
Oo nga, maganda ilong nito eh. Walang sinabi sa ilong ni ano. Hello. Dedi ka lang ha. O yung nanay mo kumakain din. Baby, gising na. Oy. Gising ka na. Ay. Ay. Oy, Dennis. Oy. Sis, ayaw gumising, sis. Ayaw gumising, oh. Oy. Ay, gising na. Tulog-tulogan ka. Ay. Ay. Uy, nagising na siya. Gising na. Tutulog ulit. Ay. Dennis, gising na. Yuhu. Umaga na. Yuhu. Dennis, ito mata mo. Ay. Dennis. Ay. Wala na, tulog na. Ay. Tulog na. Lalo ko eh. Ay. Sing na ay.
Got something right. It's really big and I'm about to seriously blow you. Right. Well, I appreciate it very much.
Ay.
So you were saying something. Got a ballistics match, huh? Now, from the gun found on the dead thing on the
Ay.
cemetery.
Ay.
That
Ina mo.
gun.
Ina mo.
Gun. In the back.
Wala ito pala.
Dennis!
Wala.